spent 8 years never given a clear reason for my pain by the doctors I saw. I was given steroid injections, exercise recommendations. None of it really worked. By the end of the 8 years, I was at the end of my rope. The Piriformis Syndrome, back then I still wasn't sure that that was what it was worsening to the point that I had increasing difficulty walking, with lots of restriction/cramping feelings. I had significant butt pain with radiating nerve pain down to my feet. I couldn't sit for much time, so I couldn't drive much or take long airplane rides. I was grasping at straws, and since I saw the glowing reviews of Dr. Tollestrup online, I decided to take a chance. It is very easy to contact his team. I would recommend sending them an email. One amazing thing is, it feels that Dr. Tollestrup already read up on my essay about my symptoms before he even entered the room. He knew me, understood me even before meeting me. He sat down and started to help me isolate my symptoms. Now, Dr. Tollestrup is, I would say, a tinkerer, a nerd. He is very detail-oriented, and he will politely interrupt you multiple times in your interview to clarify certain details. He isn't the type of guy who is overly confident of what is going on. No, he is going to dig in the weeds to really try to understand what disease is possibly happening. Dr. Tollestrup is like Sherlock Holmes. He just peppers you with tons and tons of clarifying questions so he can be absolutely sure he understands what is going on. I think he took at least 30 minutes just asking me questions. He is warm, easy to talk to. You feel professional strength from him. Once the interview is done, then you get on the patient bed, where Dr. Tollestrup starts a series of physical exam techniques. For me, he was telling me to pull my leg in all sorts of directions while he push and pull and prod at them. After all that careful, multiple maneuvers, I sat back down with him, and he explained the next procedures for me to do to further clarify my diagnosis, including additional MRI and a testing injection. These extra steps really show that Dr. Tollestrup isn't excessively eager to jump to surgery. On day of surgery, which occurs at a surgical center in Las Vegas, all the nurses and doctors were very nice. It was all very smooth. After the surgery, Dr. Tollestrup contacted me through text and email to make sure everything was going on well with my recovery. I was nervous about some symptoms after the surgery, and he carefully read through my rambling and gave me great advice. So where am I now? I am crying now because I can walk without significant pain now. I can sit down without significant pain. I know what you are thinking. Maybe he can't actually help me, no other doctors did. I can't afford Dr. Tollestrup's fees. Those thoughts are valid. But what you are paying for is someone who I can describe as being obsessed with tiny details and constant self-improvement, with him focused on giving the best results for patients who really actually need the prescribed treatment. And these surgeries are a big deal. Go for the best, the person with tons of experience. The recovery process was fairly easy. I was walking pretty much the moment I got out of the surgical center. It is a testament to Dr. Tollestrup's skills that something as drastic as removing an entire butt muscle still didn't affect my ability to walk immediately after the surgery. Dr. Tollestrup is basically the most important doctor I ever met, and the most important person I have met outside of my immediate family, because he gave me back my life.